So I was told this this machine, the engine was rebuilt in this, and they rebuilt it and then parked it. The new machines came, which I'm assuming those were the new ones we're selling this. This does run, but so engine was rebuilt and then parked it, and he said he's been here 15 years and it hasn't moved. So I don't know the story, if the engine will start. If anything, we're not going to try and start it. And then the transmission right there inside the cab. So if anything, hopefully the engine and all that stuff is good. Little Detroit. So seat is down there, but it's been sitting here for a while. There is another parts machine right there.